If you're feeling nostalgic for PB&J, but you need to feed a crew, you should try these peanut butter and jelly country-style ribs. Start by boiling your pork ribs in a stock pot with water. Season with some crazy salt. I'm not sure what makes it crazy, but there it is. I'm going to get my sauce ready while I wait for those to get nice and tender. Start with some strawberry jelly, and add in some chunky peanut butter, vinegar, and sambal oelek. That's a chili pepper paste. Save a quarter cup of that for the end. These guys have been boiling for 40 to 45 minutes, and it's time to take them out and pat them dry. Look at how tender they are. Season them with a little more crazy salt and some Chinese 5-spice, which is going to go well with the fruity peanut buttery sauce situation I have going. The ribs go in a bag with the peanut butter sauce. Let them stand until the grill is ready. On the grill, cook these just until they start to crisp around the edges, about 10 minutes or so. These are ready to go. Just need to brush with that sauce I reserved. Okay, these are not the beauty queen of ribs. That's the deal with the country style rib. But man, these are tender and have a great personality.